All right, guys, we're gonna see who has the best sound effects. You ready?
Ready?
Yep.
What sound does a torch lighter make? All right, how about a bottle pop?
Wait.
How about cutting a cigar? How about a cocktail shaker? All right, last one, pouring a bourbon into a glass.
You gotta make a sound. You can't be
You
silent.
can't make a sound.
It goes. I'll make a sound. You ready?
Wait. Go ahead.
I don't want to drink that bourbon.